morning, guys. Good morning. It is 6 o'clock and I get up like 5 o'clock. I'm awake at 5 o'clock and I get up just now. And boiling some water for my... What do you think? For my coffee. And I have a lot of leftover, a ton of leftover here. There's pizza here that my husband never bring back to home, to the other house. Fruits. That fruit is going to end up in the garbage. Look, it's a bonsai. Oh my god. Oh god, I am still sleepy. I'm still tired. I just put the bonsai outside. I put water in, lets the bonsai meet the sun. And I'm going to get the charger of my laptop. It's been charging the whole night. That's the bad thing about it. Keep charging your laptop, your phone, or whatever electronics you have. If you keep charging it like overnight, overcharge, then you're gonna have a problem with your battery. And I left my cell phone right here because it's crazy that I don't have a signal. Now it's in LTE. You can see LTE now 1x. No, it's not freaking good. Whatever. I've been sitting down and done nothing for like an hour because I don't know, I kind of bloated. They're just lying down over there, guys. Look, lying down over there. Another one over there. Another one right there. And another one right there. And another one in there. Wow, why this villagers just like in the ground? Do you notice that? And this one over here looks like dead. I think they need water though. I see something over there. Oh. Yeah, I think need water. And there's something over here too. Right there. That is a lot of them. I am having chicharon ni Mang Juan with, as you can see, Gatorade. It's so good, guys. I have this for a long time from the other house, and I pack everything, whatever I can pack, like any chicheria junk food to bring here. And I found this one. It's so good, guys. Special sokat sili, no pork flavor chicharon. So if this is not pork, what it is then? It's a part of Jack and Jill. Yeah. You know what? I'm having problem with my phone, but the only signal, I try to put my phone right here on the floor. This is where I sleep here when I first stay here. Like 3 nights I stayed in here, and then I put the phone right there. I remember I got a signal. I have a signal, but the LTE thing, it's right there. So yeah, I tried to put it over here, and then let's see if there is an LTE here. Yes, it is LTE. Got it? Yeah. We try to throw this out. This is very old vacuum and it's not working. He tried to bring it here and if it's work or what, but it doesn't work. So we have to throw that out. And I'm hearing this truck again. I think this is the truck that giving the tree how do you call that tree fertilizer. This is defrost already. The milk fish. I don't know how do you call this? Bangos. The bangos. I'm going to fry this one. I just came down. From nap because I almost fall asleep over here. I was so tired because I get up very early this morning. So yeah, I was so tired, and my husband keep calling me like an hour already, but my phone is silent. I don't know why. The switch in here it's like silent. And thank goodness I look at my phone when I first open my eyes, and excuse me, and he called me, and then I answered. He yelled at me, and then like when he's yelling at me, so I answered the call. He been trying to call me, so he's so worried if I like fell from the ladder, if there's something happened, like, and no one's here, just me alone, no one really. And then I don't answer the phone for like an hour, so freak him out. He called his sister, and then to come here. He called his sister to come over here and check up on me. And then thank goodness it's like, and my sister-in-law called me and then texted me also, and I don't I just read it. I just saw it on my phone. He said he'll call me back. He gonna call my sister-in-law to tell her not to come here again. Not to come here because because I'm okay. I'm going outside in the front porch just to chillax. It's already 8 o'clock and it's still nice outside. So yeah, I'm gonna bring my phone before my husband call and he's gonna freak out again if I don't answer. It's just like I told him, you should, like, if I don't contact you for like 3 hours, then that means there's something happened to me. But just like, an hour or half hour, I'm fine. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Just get up. As you can see, my hair is everywhere. I don't really vlog lately, guys, since I got here, because this is like the same thing over and over. There's nothing enough. Forgot to text my sister-in-law yesterday. Tell her sorry that they went crazy because I don't text back or answer their calls. So I forgot to text her. Tommy just left the house. What the heck? Takes forever. And I'm already like almost done what I'm doing here. I mean, what part of what I'm doing. It's just crazy. It's just like every time he goes to Costco, it takes forever for him to just finish what he's doing. It's kind of like very bad. I have to get ready, shower, because he told me to relax because I'm going to drive back home. And this is really pissed me off that we came here and then he just got here and then we have to drive back to the house. It's crazy. And I'm paint all over the place. So anyway, I'm going to take a shower, guys. Home, guys, just cooking, and my husband is not feeling good, so I'm cooking, and I think he's not going to have dinner. Hi, how are you? How are you, Rock? Do you want to do something? What my Roxy want? Roxy, what do you want? Do you want to do Rock?
Your daughter is such a hot piece of ass. Best sex I ever had. She's a screamer. Did you know that?
They're just playing today, guys. They're being annoying. And look at this annoying puppy we have here. This is my loves. There are my loves. Look at the Picat. No, Picat Misty. Picat. They've been doing like this since this morning. Misty ka. Ay, di naman nawi. Ang cute naman nawi. Look, Roxy is always jealous. Every time I call Misty, she is jealous. Enjoying the floor without the dog, huh? You're happy the dog is not here? Hmm? Are you guys happy? Ay, 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 ay.